Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free technical support. We're talking about error code Charlie 570. Power up mode error, steam temp over limit. Steam temperature exceeds 284 degrees during power up mode. So the cause would possibly be a power interruption. Unit lost power for a few seconds during fill, heat up, or sterilize mode. Check power cord connections. Power interruption could be due to an electrical storm or brownout, etc. Secure power cord connections at wall, outlet, sterilizer, or receptacle. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the unit from the wall. Boom. And we're going to unplug the unit from the back of the machine. Boom. And you're looking for swollen terminals. Either the female ends are swollen or the male ends are swollen. If you see any swollen or burnt, it would be time to replace it. Another common thing is that, especially with this particular part of the plug, see how I can leave it there like it barely touches? Like it needs to be pushed in all the way. If it's loose, you're going to get intermittent errors as people touch it, shut the door, whatever the case may be. So if you get this error, push that in, just double check. Often unplug and replug, that'll also solve the problem. Also, if you're ever in a situation where it says directs you to unplug and replug, then you should unplug it for 60 seconds and then replug it in. So the next thing is the operator may have unplugged the unit when previous error code was displayed. So say you got an error code for whatever reason and you just went back here to unplug it and you unplug it and then you don't wait 60 seconds and you plug it back in, it might just hold that error code and leave it there. So you're going to always want to wait the 60 seconds. Finally, or not finally, one more behind it. Anyway, sterilizer is possibly unlevel. So always when you install these, make sure it's on a level surface. Easiest way to do that is get a level and run it across the front, run it across the back. Pretty obvious on how to use that. And then also temperature sensor may be malfunctioning. So the temp sensor is the back center little post back here. We're going to want to clean that with speed clean distilled water and abrasive pad. Scrub it off. If nothing's melted on it, make sure nothing's stuck to it. Whatever, wipe it off. Run an empty cycle. No instruments, no trays. They also could be part of the problem. If you're overpacking the unit, you got the trays all smashed on top of it, you got instruments laying on top of the temp sensor, you might get intermittent temperature sensor errors or issues like this. So, and then you can perform a temp sensor test with the ohm meter and the temp sensor. Call us before you do that. You're going to need a multimeter. There's another, you can perform temperature sensor supply voltage test. Again, you're going to need a multimeter and some patience, but that could possibly reveal that the main PC board is bad. I'll be honest, I don't see that happen too much with this particular error code or temp sensors for that matter. But anyway, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe and stay tuned for more error code videos for all autoclaves. Thank you.